In the heart of Phoenix, Arizona, lies the core of innovation and craftsmanship in metal fabrication, Magnum companies. At Magnum, we specialize in transforming metal into custom components and architectural marvels. Where custom is cost-effective, we bring your ideas to reality. From high-quality industrial parts to bespoke decorative metalwork, our expertise in sheet metal fabrication ensures precision and excellence in every piece we create. Our architectural solutions redefine spaces, combining functionality with aesthetics to create environments that inspire and endure. Driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence, our commitment to quality, competitive pricing, and responsive service has earned us a reputation as leaders in the metal manufacturing industry. Join the ranks of satisfied clients and let Magnum's unparalleled expertise in metal manufacturing and architectural solutions bring your vision to life. Magnum Companies, crafting the future in metal. Contact us today.